Hi, I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Danielle.
And we are the mother-daughter team of Godiva's Secret Wigs. And today I'm really excited to show you something many of you have been requesting, and that is that you love some of our longer wigs, but they're a little too long. And I am going to cut this beautiful wig and show you how easy it is. All you need is someone else's head to put it on, and then you can cut. Very simple. What is the name of this wig?
This is our Brook wig, and the color is Maple Sugar R.
And it's beautiful, but what I want to do is cut it about where I would wear it, about this length or so. So I'm going to show you how to do that.
Let's go.
So you can see that there are curls that end in certain lengths. And if you look, you'll see right here is a really simple cutting point. And actually, I'm just going to cut it. So I'm cutting curl by curl, and I'm pulling down a little bit. So you can see the difference already.
Yeah.
If you like a thicker look on the bottom and not thinning down on the bottom, then even you could just take a few of your bottoms off.
And when Rochelle's cutting, it's not about cutting perfect. That's when it starts looking a little wiggy.
Right. So cutting wigs, and after cutting wigs for 40 years, I am not a hairdresser. I just love wigs. So it's not a precision cut. It's a visual cut.
Right. It's not the same as cutting human hair.
Right. And the beauty of cutting our wigs is because they're high quality, synthetic, wash and wear, they're always going to dry to the style you purchase, to the style you're cutting.
Right.
So I'm going to keep going because that piece is too long. So I'm just kind of going to go slow motion. I'm kind of closing it as I go upwards. If you're new to cutting wigs, you could take one little piece and just cut it. Take one little piece at a time. And because it's a small piece, you're not just cutting a chunk that's going to look a little strange. So it will still blend and look natural. So I'm going to just even them all out. This is the front side. I want to see if I have any other extra little hairs. Cutting just a little bit. I'm going to take it a little shorter.
Do it.
Yeah. This is great on our longer wigs like Candace. It's fabulous cut short. I have cut Candace all the way up to the shoulder because a client just loves the top piece.
Right.
So you can create the length that you want. And if you want a little more layering, and you can just take it to your hairdresser if you're afraid, okay? Because I know a lot of you are going, what the heck, I am not touching my wig. I get it. But there are many of you advanced wig wearers. You're already trimming or you're ready to do something a little more adventurous. So I'm just going to turn you a little bit. So now that I have the front where I want it, here is the length. And I'm just going to match the back or go a little bit longer. So again, piece by piece, especially on a curlier wig, because it's all different pieces. It doesn't have to be exact, it can be layered.
And you can use this technique also if you have a medium length wig that you want to take to your shoulders, above your shoulders. This technique is perfect for any length.
Right. I'm also making it a little shorter of a layer. It's scary the first time, ladies, but after that, no problem.
And maybe you first try on one of your older wigs, or
good idea.
Or like Rochelle said, very little snips, where you take off only a little bit of length at first when you're practicing, and work your way up to this.
So you can see I've trimmed here. Here's the original length. So just to give you an idea, I'm not going to finish the rest right now, but I wanted to show you. Look at the difference. Really pretty. Actually, I'm going to layer this a little bit more, and it's again just taking little pieces and trusting what you like. And you can do a little bit at a time, and you can always do a little more. But remember, once a wig has been trimmed even a little bit, it's not returnable, exchangeable at all. So make sure you love that wig and go slow. Take your time.
Yes.
So I want to show you this side as opposed to this side. So Danielle is beautiful in this longer length, but I'm still going to go just a touch shorter. There. A little
This
more.
could be a style also.
Right. So you can keep a longer,
Yeah, how long?
you can have 2 wigs. So there is a little bit of the difference, and take those bangs a little bit shorter up top. And that gives you a good idea. So if there is a longer wig, don't limit yourself to the exact style. Our wigs are amazing for customizing, so easy to do. Or call a hairdresser, see if they work with wigs,
Right.
and take it to your hairdresser and just remind her to go slow because this hair does not grow back.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Thanks so much
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.
And remember, we have over 300 videos on our YouTube channel, Godiva's Secret Wigs.
Bye.
Bye.